This is a recipe to celebrate International Women's Day. And even though you're going to see a wonderful recipe, today you're going to see an injury, a medal. You're going to hear about a personal best and about Inspire, this wonderful charity that supports young people to follow their dreams. So please proceed with caution. Great flavors ahead. Today, on International Women's Day, I am honoring the women of my life and I am celebrating accomplishments and failures because through test and try, we achieve our goals. And once again, this recipe is a proof of that. I'm going to cook for two amazing women that I love so much and that I have the privilege of having in my life. It's going to be my beautiful goddaughter and my smashing friend Maya. This is a very simple recipe and very light because I'm taking the skin and all the seeds of the tomato so it's not too acidic. It's going to be absolutely perfect because this recipe has one special ingredient, and that ingredient is thyme. I'm going to make my wonderful tomato sauce with onions, a little bit of garlic, basil, salt and pepper, and oregano.
Please, just for 1 second.
Where's the medal?
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
Oh my God! What is that, Maya?
So what this is, let me tell you what this is. This is my medal for the London Half Marathon that I just completed. And that's not all. I also got my personal best time. So I am just under 2 hours, 21K, just under 2 hours, 1 hour, 59 minutes.
Amazing. And,
Boom.
And you raised money for a charity. Which one was your charity?
Yeah, I raised money for Inspire charity. It's the charity that works with children and helps them sort of pick their careers in their future life and inspires them to be whatever they want to be in their lives.
Amazing. Well done, Maya.
Thank you. Boom.
Boom, boom. Isn't that amazing? Oh my God, I love it so much. This is so cool. Now going back to my recipe, I have chopped the onions, chopped the garlic. Tomato sauce is such an important part of classical Italian dishes. This is a tried and true version that will be a hit with your guests, all made from scratch and lots of love. I am separating the seeds and using the tomatoes juice. And now I actually can plant 100 tomato vines. And on a large frying pan, I'm going to add olive oil and I'm going to allow the onions to sweat until translucent. I'm going to marinate my tomatoes with this chopped garlic. It's going to enhance the flavor. On this wonderful day, I just feel so happy that I'm able to do whatever I want to. I want to cook and it gives me such pleasure. And I was so privileged to take the time to make this wonderful slow sauce. And of course, I want to celebrate all the women that are in their kitchen, that they work so hard on their professions, for their families, for passion and for love, and day after day. How amazing is that? It is necessary to have such a dedication because it's very hard. It's very physical and it's very sensorial as well. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to give your thumbs up, and I would really appreciate to have your support through your beautiful comments, and subscribe to this channel so we can bring much more recipes and much more fun. Now it's time to pamper the sauce. You give a little stir, you just give a little pep talk. And the beautiful day became a beautiful night. And I am reducing, and I put a little bit of lemon so it gets a little bit more acidic, and finally basil.
It's unbelievable. Proper homemade meatball sauce. Yay. I love it. It's gentle. It's perfect. Yay. Yay. How does it taste? Should be good, right?
Of course, I'm going to tell you all about these wonderful meatballs, and I'm going to add the sauce, and I will allow to simmer for about 15 minutes so all the flavors can come together.
Yeah, please serve me. Okay.
The thing.
Fantastic. Simply fantastic. To post this.
Yeah. You like the meat?
Very
You like
good.
the meatballs? And
Yeah,
you
I
like
do.
the sauce?
The sauce is amazing, full of flavors, really like homemade. You can feel like it was really prepared for a while and took time and was chopped, and the mix of ingredients is just perfect. And it goes so well with the meatballs, and the meatballs are actually unbelievable.
Bite size?
Bite-sized. Look,
just so
I'm
cute.
just picking one like that.
You don't
I'm
have
gonna
to
make a
bite and
huge
eat.
bite.
Scrambleuliamshas.
And just like the dot on the eye, we have this beautiful balanced sauce with the pasta and the meatballs. Yes, it was absolutely delicious. Just like a prayer.